Welcome back to generate.net. Today we're revealing a brand new tool which will let you create coloring pages, but this time with text on them. Now this is a brand new function and nobody has released a tool like this in the world which does the job so well. So I'm just going to show you some examples. Now first of all, this is on our new platform called keyspinart.com, and it has two options. You type here the coloring page of what you want and the text on the coloring page, which of course is optional. And then you click on generate coloring pages and then it will create for you 4 examples. Now the amazing thing about this tool, it's so cheap to use. It's only 1 credit per use right now as of release. It may change, but right now it's 1 credit per use. And let me show you some more examples of coloring pages with text on them. Man standing on top of a mountain with his hands in the air, I will make it. And as you can see, this one looks a bit weird. He looks backwards, but let's say this one would be a perfectly usable coloring page. This one of course has coloring in it, so it's not good. And all of these images costed only 1 credit for use. Let's move on to the next example. So a cute dog, and the text on the image will be I love you. So as you can see, these are the options that you've got here. All of them came out pretty good, and this one is probably the best, and possibly this one as well. So let's just do one on the fly right now just to show you that this is working in real time and there's no editing that's been done here. Sometimes the AI does make mistakes, I have to admit, but as you can see in this specific version, it didn't make mistake in this one, and in this one, this is cute. It does say an extra eye here, which you can always remove. And this is another example. This was done live just now. Let's move on to the next example. A person standing with his hands up on top of a hill, I will succeed. And these are the example results that we've received. This one obviously is no good because his head is back to front. His body seems like it's back to front. The other ones are okay. Let's try again with this one and see what kind of results we get. Now remember, AI is still developing, and I always say this in my videos, you can expect mistakes. You can expect mistakes. But if you look over here, we've got 1 successful and 1 unsuccessful. 1, 2, 3 unsuccessful, but it doesn't matter because you only really need 1 to work for it to work, and it's always going to be 1 credit to use this tool. Now KeyspinArt is a brand new platform which we created. You can actually own a platform like this and pay even less per image created because we create these platforms for you. This is a demo platform that will work perfectly. If you go to keyspinart.com, you'll be able to use this tool. You click on keyspinart.com. I'll put a link in the description. And then you'll see that on this page, we have 3 apps: the AI coloring page generator, the logo creator, and the image generator. And these tools are more advanced than any tools you've ever seen on our old website, which is generate.net. We're focusing in now on quality as opposed to quantity. Generate.net was for quantity, and now we're moving on to quality. Thank you for watching this video, and bye for now.